Two of Zimbabwe's most battle-hardened liberation war commanders are emerging as the key figures in a looming succession showdown that would shape the country's political future after President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sarabina Mashkoplan Wagenzi, Chiwenga vs. Sibanda, the battle for presidency for 2028 begins. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tina Bo Truth, Hope Dang Retired General Philip Valerio Sibanda and Vice President Kusano Chiwenga both joined the liberation struggle in 1973, fighting on opposite fronts during the war against white minority rule. Shona Sibanda, who fought under the zebra banner using the war name Ananias Benzi, reportedly trained in Morogoro, Tanzania, and later in Lebanon. Chiwenga, then known by his guerrilla name Dominic Chiwenga, operated under Zandla and received military training in Mozambique. Now decades after the liberation war, the two veterans are once again being spoken of in the same breath, this time as possible heirs to the presidency. Sibanda's recent elevation to the ZANU-PF Politburo has fueled speculation that he is President Mnangagwa's preferred successor, but Chiwenga, long viewed as a powerful political force within the ruling party and security establishment, is still widely seen as a frontrunner for the top job in 2028. With rival liberation war legacies, deep military influence, and competing political backers, insiders say the battle to succeed Mnangagwa could become one of the fiercest succession contests in the recent Zimbabwean history. Doma developments are good upon Ido. But section videos of Imo to be on subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.